Hi students, welcome all. Hope you all are safe in your home. In this video, I am introducing a new subject that is business research method. It is included in your 5th semester curriculum. You have to study 6 modules in this paper. The main objective of studying this paper is to enable the students for acquiring basic knowledge in business research. So, let us start. Okay. The first chapter is business research. Before studying business research, you must know what is research. So, firstly, we can study the meaning and definition of research. Research is a careful study to discuss correct information, or we can say a research is a way of collecting information to facilitate problem solving. In simple word, research means search and search again. Now we can discuss the definition of research. According to Robert Ross, research is essentially an investigation, a recording and an analysis of evidences for the purpose of gaining knowledge. That means research is an investigation process. It involves investigation, recording and analysis of evidences for giving knowledge. Now we can discuss the main features of research. First feature is research is the discovery of new knowledge. That means the main purpose of conducting research is acquiring new knowledge. Next one is research is an investigative process. Through investigation we acquire new knowledge. Another feature is research is related with the solution of problem. The ultimate aim of conducting research is finding out solution for the problem. Then the next one is research is based on observation and experimental evidences. The main base of the research is what we get in our observation and experimentation. So, a good research demand accurate observation and experimentation. It is the next feature. Then research is mainly depends on data. We uses two types of data. They are primary data and secondary data. Primary data are those data which are collected by the researcher for the first time. It is the first hand data. Secondary data are those data which are developed by another person and it is used by the researcher for their purpose. Skills are required for researcher to understand and analyze the data. This is the another feature. The next main feature is a researcher always find out answers for unsolved questions. It is the important function of the researcher. Research work should be carefully recorded and reported. This is also one of the important feature. Then the last feature is patience is required for conducting research. So these are all about the meaning, definition and features of research. Now we can move our main topic, that is business research. Business research is the combination of business and research. That means application of research in the field of business. In business, research is mainly conducted to resolve the problems which is related with the accounting, finance, marketing and management. Business research is also used to find out the new investment opportunity or research for how to improve the already implemented business. Now we can discuss the definition of business research. According to MC Daniel and Gates, business research is the planning, collection and analysis of data relevant to business decision making and communication of the result of this analysis to management. I repeat, business research is the planning, collection and analysis of data relevant to business decision making and communication of the result of this analysis to management. Which means business research is the process of planning, collecting and analysis of data which is relevant to business decision making, and this decision is communicated to management. So these are all about the meaning and definition of business research. Now moving to the next topic, that is features of business research. The main features of business research are systematic and objective process. Business research has a clear objective purpose. It is a multidisciplinary. It covers all regions which the business is operated, irrespective of local or international, judging local problems of the environment. It accurately determines the cost or profitability of the business. Flexible. It uses the facility of internet. It is always focused on demand. So we can discuss each features in detail. First feature is systematic and objective process. That means business research is a systematic and objective process of gathering, recording and analysis of data for decision making. Next one is business research has a clear objective purpose. While doing business research, the researcher always kept in mind that what is the purpose of doing the research. Based on this purpose, we can decide the depth of the research. Business research is multidisciplinary. A discipline means the area of study. Business research is not a single discipline. Research needs the application of so many other disciplines such as mathematics, psychology, sociology, physics, economics, etc. So we can say that business research is multidisciplinary. Next is a good business research is that it covers all the regions in which the business operates, whether it is local or international. It also focuses on judging local problems of the environment. Next feature is business research accurately determines the cost or profitability of a business. That means a good research correctly determines the cost or profitability of a business. Then next feature is a good business research is flexible. We make any changes according to the circumstances. So it is flexible. Application of internet is also used in business research field. We can collect data about product, competitors, customers with the help of internet. Business research is always focused on demand. Research is conducted according to the demand. So these are all about features of business research. Now the next area of discussion is role of business research in decision making. The main roles that are performed by a business research in the field of decision making are product analysis, market analysis, financial analysis, competitor analysis and growth analysis. So the first one is product analysis. It is one of the important area of business research. A company select those products which meet the demand of the customer. Otherwise, that product will not move in the market. So, business research helps to select those products which will give greater profitability to that company. Market analysis is the second one. Company conduct market analysis to understand the current situation of the market, which type of product is largely moving in the market, what price range is mostly preferred by the customer, etc. This market analysis is conducted through research. So the next one is financial analysis. Financial analysis helps to understand the cost of each production item used to produce goods and service. Management always interested to know how much cost is incurred for producing their product. So this is done with the help of business research. Next is competitor analysis. Competition is the main problem that is faced by every business concern. Analyzing the current competitor of a market is an important part of business research. Competition analysis helps the company to face the competition effectively. Now the last one is growth analysis. Business research helps to understand the growth pattern of the company. It helps to understand whether the company show a slow growth or strong growth. So this area is over. Now moving to the next area, that is business research methods. In this area, we are trying to find out what type of business research method is suitable to our research. The answer of the question is depending upon the size of the company and the type of information needed. That means business research method may differ according to the size of the company and type of information required. The important business research methods are operational research, case studies, statistical data, surveys and focus groups, interview designs, listening, questionnaires and questioning. First, we can discuss operational research method. This method study firm's operational system. While doing this type of research, a researcher helps the firm to reduce waste, inefficiency and poor performance. Next method is case study. It is an investigative method. This method tries to find out companies and business situation. Next method is statistical data. Examination of information and statistical data is another method of business research. Based on this collected data, company can predict current and future aspects. Surveys and focus groups are the another method which helps the firm for the better understanding of the potential customer for its products and service. Next is interview design. While conducting interviews, firm can get actual information from the consumer. Based on this information, they can make changes in the business. So, conducting interview is also an important business research method. Now, the next one is listening. Listening is another method. Proper listening will get lots of information. So, this information is used by the firm when they need it. Questionnaires and questioning are the another method for collecting data. For this, proper questions must be created. It must be relevant. So, these are all about business research methods. Now, moving to the next topic, that is purpose or objectives of business research. The main purpose or objectives of business research are promoting business in a profitable manner, ensuring future success, gathering relevant information for smooth conducting of the business, understanding the major players in the job market, helping the manager for identifying and solving small problems which are facing in the business, save time and cost, helps to take appropriate managerial decision. So, these are the main purpose or objective of business research. Next is importance of conducting business research. We can discuss the importance of conducting research in 5 heads. They are job seekers, investors, business to business providers, philanthropic organization, companies. So, the first one is job seekers. Job seekers are those persons who search jobs. So, they need information regarding company where they are going to attend interview. So, he conduct research about that company. So, this is the first importance of conducting business research. Next is investors. Investors are those who invest their money in the business. So, they need information regarding the profitability of their investment. So, they conduct research. Next is B2B providers, which means business to business marketing. They also conduct business research. While doing research, they can make wise decision about marketing strategy, business development relationship and networking operations. Now the next one is philanthropic organization. A philanthropist is a person who practices philanthropy. That means one who loves to help others or wishing to give donation. They always search philanthropic organization. Philanthropic organization is the organization they support other backward or poor people. So philanthropists always search philanthropic organization to give donation. For finding out philanthropic organization, a philanthropist conduct research. Next is companies. All companies conduct various business research for getting various results. The various reasons for conducting research in a company are testing new product, ensuring adequate distribution, measuring advertisement effectiveness, studying competition. First one is testing new product. When the company introduces new product in the market, the company must know whether it is success or not. So, for understanding this, they done business research. Next is ensuring adequate distribution. Company may also use business research to ensure whether the distribution channel is effective or not. Next is measuring advertising effectiveness. Advertisement is the important aspect of every organization. So, the company must know whether their advertisement is effective or not. For this purpose, company conduct business research. Next is studying competition. To get the information about the competitors, the company must conduct business research. So these are all about importance of conducting business research. So today's topic is over. Hope you all are understood. Thank you.